Medicine. A tablet here, a jab there. Every day, people around the world rely on it to live their lives. Like her, and him, and them. But have you ever thought how so many life-saving tablets, capsules, injections, inhalers, and other medicines make it into the hands of people all around the world? And how does it get from here to here? The humble pill. Looks pretty ordinary, doesn't it? Well, before it reaches you, there are hundreds of extraordinary processes that come together seamlessly to produce it. It comes from sourcing ingredients all over the world, blending them, and making sure each dose is consistently high quality, billions of times over. And the complexity only increases for a medicine you inject or inhale or absorb through your skin. From manufacturing sites and warehouses around the world, products are made and packaged, and then, like a conductor leading a group of musicians, an incredibly complex yet nimble movement of goods with hundreds of partners happens every minute of every day. From the land, air and sea, the global supply chain is constantly in motion to busy cities and towns or remote parts of the world, all in harmony. Because no country can make every medicine it needs, and no medicine is made in every country. Access to all medicines for everyone only works when we rely on each other. So you and your families can focus on what matters to you, your health.